Hey everybody, John Sposato and Sharon Caffini here from the Arizona Home Group, and it's time for our October market report.
And it's not as scary as you might think.
Nah, it's not so bad. Let's take a look at the numbers. All right, so the first thing we talk about all the time is inventory, right?
Yes.
We know inventory has been increasing over the last couple of months. This month we're up to 19,188 listings, but
Yeah, that was only really about 1,000 more listings than what we had last month. But compared to last year,
yeah, I mean, last year we had only 7,000 listings at this time of the year. So
Yeah.
again, we've come up quite a bit this year, but month to month, it's not that big of a
yeah.
deal.
But it's great news for buyers because now you have a lot more homes out there to choose from.
Yeah. All right, so then the other side of the coin is then listings that are going under contract, right? How many buyers are out there actually writing contracts? And we've seen it's been tapering off. We know that. And interest rates have taken a big hit.
Yeah, we had about 6,500 closings last month, so it's not too bad, and it's kind of typical for this time of year.
Yeah, again, there's activity out there. There are people buying houses. It's not the crazy numbers that we were last year, but it's still a good active market.
So let's talk average sales price. We are hovering here in the Phoenix metro area right around $538,000.
Yeah, I mean, last month it's down from 562, but again, from where we were last year at 495, yes, we've come down in value, but really all you're losing is appreciation. We made so much money over the last 2 years. You're just down a little bit in appreciation. There's still a lot of sellers out there who have a lot of equity.
Yes, absolutely.
So again, the market isn't as scary as people think. So people think that the market has slowed down so much. The average day on market right now is only 46 days.
Yeah, which compared to last year is only about 20 days more than what it was at this time then.
And it's only a week more than last month. So things haven't come to a screeching halt.
No,
right?
no, just it's more normal, basically.
Normalizing. Yeah, so I mean, we know that the market is getting hammered by the rates, right?
Yes.
And we're all basically beholden to the Fed, and they're talking about possibly raising rates again. You know, it's a little frustrating.
It is, but what we are seeing is that a lot of sellers are doing rate buy downs for the buyer, so it's enabling the buyer to still have some purchasing power, get a lower rate right now for the next 2 years is what we're seeing, mostly 2-1 buy downs, and then they'll refinance when the rates adjust.
Yeah, you got to realize that sellers have a lot of equity and they want to get their house sold. So they're giving concessions and they're giving money for these buy downs for these buyers, which really makes those rates a lot more affordable than they really are.
Yes. On the flip side, with some good news for buyers is that because prices have increased so much over the last few years, the conventional loan limit has increased as well. So now, without going into a jumbo loan, you can be up to $715,000 here in Maricopa County.
Yeah, and that's effect as of right now. So
Yeah.
again, $715,000 for the Fannie Mae Freddie Mac conventional loan limit just increased. So that's good news.
Yes.
All right, so I think what we're trying to tell everybody is like, don't be afraid of today's market. I know you're hearing a lot of noise out there in the marketplace, but the bottom line is it's a great time to be buying or selling right now.
Yeah, I mean, the whole term buyer's market should let people know that this is the time you're supposed to be buying, not during a seller's market when everybody else is buying. You have a lot less competition right now. Sellers got a ton of equity. They're giving concessions. This hasn't happened in over 2 years.
And there's a lot more to choose from because there's more inventory than it was back in the spring. So it really is a lot of things. And on top of that, you can maybe get a rate buy down or you can refinance in a couple of years and get into a lower rate. So honestly, guys, it's a great time. And if you want to buy something, if you're looking to buy right now, go out and buy a house.
Yeah.
Okay, you can always refinance.
And you want to date the rate, marry the house.
All right, so on behalf of the entire Arizona Home Group, that was our not so scary October market report.
Yep.
We'll be seeing you in November.
Yes, have a wonderful Halloween. And don't forget to go to our YouTube page and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informational market videos, also lifestyle videos, and all of our listing videos.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks.
All right, so, again, it's...